Hello, everyone. A warm welcome to the webinar platform of Srimati K.L. Tiwari College of Architecture, an educational institute under Rahul Education Group of Schools and Colleges. A real warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Rupali Gupte, principal of this institute, is extremely pleased to float our online talk series, Rubaru. Our webinar session today is with architect Barish Date, whose firm Graphics Beyond is a multidisciplinary studio focusing strongly on graphic designs. Rubaru simply means having met someone face to face. We welcome you, Barish, and open up this platform for your expert sessions. Live chat is enabled to have an enthralling Rubaru experience with our dynamic audiences too. Thank you very much, all of you, for being here today. And I'll not make you wait long. So let's start the session immediately.
Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting project which was recently finished called Savvy Swaraj Sports Club based in Ahmedabad, designed by Kapadi Associates for the client's Savvy infrastructure. This project sits on a 70-acre township and is part of a larger master plan where the architects could control and assign a proper context to this building. The club as a program enlarged itself eventually and became a sports academy. And Graphics Beyond were interested with designing the entire branding, signage, and environmental graphics for this project. As you can see, Kapadi Associates have very sensitively designed the architecture of this project so that it responds well to the track, pool, and the outsides. Graphics Beyond had designed the project branding for Savvy Swaraj 7-8 years ago, and we recently continued that and used it into the branding of Savvy Swaraj Sports Club. As you can see, it is applied from the embroidery on the uniforms up to the branding on the buildings. One of the crucial decision-making points was the selection of the typeface, and we selected Futura family for the weight, for the confidence, for the dynamic imprint, for its impact. And we'll see through the project how it aids in creating a quirky typographic language through the interiors. The various aspects of our involvement and engagement with this project are to do with branding, graphics, signs, as well as continuing the narrative that the architects created. As one can see, there is a functional and minimalist route adopted by the master planners and the architects, and this has been continued into a monochrome branding across the external branding for Savi Swaraj Sports Club. We have particularly included slides which are work in progress to understand what is mock-up and scaling, to look at drawings where the branding is superimposed onto the architectural drawings to arrive at the most appropriate scale, proportion, and detailing of the various signs, as well as when we are approaching this property, the access sign and the messaging also is something that sets the tone for the narrative to follow. You will see how the content, how the typography, and how the branding consistently works a story till you reach the building. These large supergraphic elements which have been incorporated onto the fins of the front facade actually lend a very dynamic and distinctive quality to a sports facility. It makes it self-evident to any visitor or user about the program of what this building is about. One need not write or mention that it's something to do with sports. It's inherent, and this has been integrated seamlessly into the architecture as a result of GB and Kapadia Associates working very seamlessly over a period of 4 or 5 years on this project. And that's the final result, which is a power-packed punch in terms of its impact and its overall overbearing visual aesthetics on the surrounding environments. We then zoom down to some details of the external sign program, which evidently take cue from the element of sports and the various tools, in this case the various balls and their silhouettes, and this forms an interesting framework for taking up content for the external signs. As we enter this project, as we enter the large atrium, the conventional idea of a directory has been questioned, and what we have developed is a track which takes the form of an athletics track and which has the content infused into it. The track in detail has been engraved into the plaster, whilst the data which could change the various destinations go onto plaques. On the bottom right, you will see mock-ups in flex and prints, and this forms a very crucial stage of any signage or graphic design project, so as to get the right scale, the right thickness, the appropriate depth, and eventually the desired result. This being an extensive, expansive academy, the sports club has many facilities within: squash, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, basketball, a range of sports facilities in the insides other than the track and field and the swimming pool outside. And these offered a great opportunity to create a visual language, to create an aesthetic that was inspired by the badges and the embroidered emblems that is very prevalent with various sporting leagues and sporting facilities. And this kind of formed the base for us to develop a very tailor-made, customized language and mnemonics for each of the destinations within. So these are some of the early studies where we were exploring whether we could do a monochrome cast in situ kind of look and feel for these signs. Eventually, this evolved into a very dynamic and colorful sign program, and these are the final signs. The extremely minimalist architecture that has been designed along with very functional interiors allows the focus to remain on the sporting arenas and the various activities. And we have followed the same narrative into creating a series of experiences across various transition spaces such as the atrium and the lift lobbies by juxtaposing images and typography onto unexpected surfaces. So, as one can see, there's a fixed word within the elevator, and the words outside change as per the floor rises. Nurture, accelerate, inspire. The entire flooring has been planned as a cast in situ terrazzo flooring, and this gave us an opportunity to work with typography and have series of messaging very particularly located, strategically placed and copyrighted into areas such as beast mode on at the start of the gym. And these excite, these tickle, these can provoke. This typography is experimental, is unexpected and unpredictable, and hence it engages the users, sportsmen, coach, visitors, with a positive streak. The stance continues across the various areas in this facility, and because of the demographics and being sensitive towards a range of people who are going to be using it, we have used Devanagari, Latin and Gujarati so that it connects with the people who are using the facility. The main sports hall is a place of action, and what you can see here is larger than life typography which says now or never, seize the moment, just do it kind of feel. And one can see how the Futura font family with its varying weights allows us to play while devising such graphics. And finally, we come to the rear facade, which has been very thoughtfully designed to address the track and field and swimming pool by the architects, and which also connects with the track and field by the means of a large graphic, and that's of a applauding audience. And as we can see, it's a 70 feet by 270 feet facade that faces the track and the pool. And this, in an abstract sense, is a waving crowd, is a large audience that is encouraging, that is pushing the people on the track and in the pool. It's a metal screen that we have punctured with variable holes using the halftone technique, and the image that forms is that of an audience that is pushing the sportsmen to do their best. This is an example of a seamless fusion of art, graphics and architecture, creating an experience full of energy, full of enthusiasm, and which captures the spirit of sports. A lot of us talk about seamless working, integrated feel, the final complete picture, which is a fusion of arts and architecture and interiors, furniture, lighting, and other specialties. Savvy Swaraj Sports Club genuinely is an attempt to create and follow a single narrative across the various aspects of the project. And as you will now see, 4 to 5 teams from various offices, predominantly Kapadia Associates, Savvy Infrastructure and Graphics Beyond, have worked very closely for over 4 years to deliver something that is genuinely seamless and something that gives precedence to all the arenas and the sporting activities. If anybody has any questions, queries, any observations, please feel free to ask, share.